Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous. I've enjoyed making some of these large word and brush calligraphy type stamp sets, and now that we've put it all together, it's very easy for you to enjoy all of the mix and match combinations that you have. And as you can see here, there's lots of big words, and then we did another really interesting one with circle words and things. And a lot of these can be used very simply with other designs to make quick cards. The brush alphabet sets are available as caps and lowercase, and you can use them a lot of different ways. Here you can see this is about as close as you can get if you build your whole word on one handle. But if you use the letters separately, then you can make them all connect and really create names and personalize and fun big words of all sorts. With the big bold brush letter words, you might do them in one color or enjoy inking them in two different ink colors like I've done with the VersaFine Claire. Or you can also try some fun things with your Tombow markers. So if you want to do a whole rainbow of colors, you can, let's see, let me put them in rainbow order here. You can enjoy using the Tombow markers directly right on your clear stamps. And particularly if you're using a MISTI, you might do it twice and be able to get just a perfect lineup of beautiful colors and make a very colorful impression all at once. Creating other colorful backgrounds is another way that you could simply come back and stamp in black or emboss in black or white to reverse out of some very colorful backdrop panels where the words are the key thing and the color just is a pop that makes your card come together in a very quick, easy way.